Well, it's nice to see you here. I've been trying to put a video up here. I was going to take you on a sea cruise of discovering PC optimum points, and I have to redo the video. I had wanted to shoot a longer video, just so you know, so that I could try and do a premiere and have enough time for people to get there. But I just went to upload my video and it says processing abandoned video is too long. Learn more. Okay, so how long can we have a video? My video is 18 minutes and 19 seconds. I was thinking it was going to be too short. Upload videos longer than 15 minutes on a computer. Increase your video length limit. By default, you can upload videos that are up to 15 minutes long. Verified accounts can upload videos longer than 15 minutes. How to verify your Google account. Go to verify, follow the steps. Okay, let's try and see what we can do here. So, on a computer, go to verify and follow steps. Make sure you're using an up-to-date version of your browser. Okay. Oh, it says you can choose to get a verification code through a text message on a mobile device or an automated voice call. I can't do either of those at all. Any other suggestions for me? I guess we're stuck to 15 minutes. That's all we can do. Oh, maximum file size you can upload is 128 gig or 12 hours, whichever is less. Wow, a 12-hour video. That's long. I used to have a verified account, but now I have no phone of my own. And for them to give me a call, they can't do that at all because where I'm staying, you have to put in an extension number. So if anybody can help me, I would love to take you on a longer sea cruise and show you some great views. But apparently, I think I'm going to be stuck here. We'll just take a look at this anyway. There we click there, and away we go. Account verification. Call me with an automated voice message. Click there. Get your phone ready. It'll be made once and almost immediately after you submit your phone number. Be sure to have your phone nearby before continuing. And you got to put the phone number in there. And that's not good. So anyway, I hope you have a great day. Remember to pray. I'm praying that they will be soon saying there's going to be some other way for people to be, or at least they'll put a thing there you could put an extension in for your phone. But there's a lot of people who do not have a telephone of their own. And it would be very nice. Wonder if I should call a friend. Feels like phone a friend. Maybe I'll phone a friend and see if I can have them text the verification to them. I don't know. What would you do if you were me? Across the bridge, there's no more sorrow. Across the bridge, there's no more pain. Yes, the sun will reign forever, and you'll never be unhappy.